Have you ever been curious about how the food you consume affects your body? Today, we'll explore the captivating realm of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Understanding the significance of these macronutrients is essential for optimizing your nutrition and achieving your fitness goals. Before we proceed, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on future videos like this. Now let's dive straight in with the role of macronutrients in the body. The role of macronutrients in the body is vital for maintaining optimal health and well-being. Each macronutrient, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, serves unique functions that are essential for our bodies to function effectively. Carbohydrates acts as the primary source of energy for our cells. When consumed, carbohydrates break down into glucose, which our cells utilize to produce adenosine triphosphate, the molecule that fuels all cellular activities. Carbohydrates are particularly crucial for providing energy to the brain, as it heavily relies on glucose for proper functioning. Proteins, on the other hand, play a fundamental role in various aspects of the body. They are the building blocks of tissues, organs, enzymes, hormones, and antibodies. Proteins are involved in muscle growth and repair, as well as the formation of enzymes that facilitate metabolic reactions. Additionally, they contribute to the transport and storage of molecules within the body. Contrary to common misconceptions, fats are essential for our overall health. They provide a concentrated source of energy and are necessary for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Fats also act as insulation for our vital organs, protect nerve tissues, and play a crucial role in hormone production. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are types of polyunsaturated fats, are considered essential as our bodies cannot produce them on their own. In conclusion, macronutrients not only serve as a source of energy, but also play indispensable roles in the proper functioning of our bodies. Carbohydrates fuel our cells and provide energy to the brain. Proteins are involved in various structural and functional processes, and fats play key roles in insulation, protection, and hormone regulation. Understanding the roles of these macronutrients empowers us to make informed choices about our diet and ensure we meet our body's nutritional needs. Healthy sources of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. When it comes to macronutrients, it's not only crucial to understand their roles, but also identify healthy sources of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats that support our overall well-being. Carbohydrates can be classified into two main categories: simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates found in processed sugars and sweets should be consumed in moderation due to their potential negative impact on blood sugar levels. Instead, focus on incorporating complex carbohydrates into your meals. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals while offering a steady release of energy. Fruits and vegetables are also excellent sources of complex carbs, providing essential nutrients and antioxidants. Proteins are abundant in both animal and plant-based sources. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish offer high-quality protein with lower fat content. If you follow a plant-based diet or prefer vegetarian options, consider incorporating legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Additionally, tofu, tempeh, and edamame provide plant-based proteins. Dairy products such as Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are also protein-rich choices. When it comes to fats, it's important to opt for healthy sources. Avocados are a great choice as they contain monounsaturated fats and promote heart health. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds offer a combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Olive oil is an excellent cooking oil option, while fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines provide omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for brain health and reducing inflammation. Incorporating these healthy sources of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into your diet can help you achieve a balanced macronutrient intake while providing essential nutrients for optimal health. Remember to focus on whole, unprocessed foods to maximize the benefits of your macronutrient choices. The importance of balanced macronutrient intake. Maintaining a balanced macronutrient intake is crucial for overall health and optimizing your body's functions. While each macronutrient plays a unique role, it is the balance between them that truly matters. First and foremost, a balanced macronutrient intake ensures sustained energy levels throughout the day. Carbohydrates provide the primary fuel source for your body, while proteins and fats contribute to satiety and help regulate blood sugar levels. By including all three macronutrients in appropriate proportions, you can avoid energy crashes and maintain stable energy levels. Furthermore, a balanced macronutrient intake supports optimal metabolism. Each macronutrient follows a specific metabolic pathway, and an imbalance can disrupt these processes. For instance, excessive carbohydrate consumption without sufficient protein and fats may lead to insulin spikes and imbalances in blood sugar levels. On the other hand, inadequate carbohydrate intake can result in a lack of energy for physical activities. Balancing macronutrients also ensures the proper functioning of various bodily functions. Proteins are vital for the growth and repair of tissues, enzymes, and hormones. Fats are necessary for nutrient absorption, brain function, hormone production, and cell integrity. Carbohydrates provide the energy needed for physical activities, brain function, and the efficient functioning of organs. Moreover, a balanced macronutrient intake helps prevent nutrient deficiencies. Each macronutrient carries essential vitamins, minerals, and micronutrients that contribute to overall health. A deficiency in any of these macronutrients can lead to imbalances and potentially impact your immune system, bone health, and overall well-being. In conclusion, achieving a balanced macronutrient intake is crucial for optimal health and well-being. It ensures sustained energy levels, supports metabolic processes, promotes the proper functioning of bodily systems, and helps prevent nutrient deficiencies. By understanding the importance of balance and tailoring your diet accordingly, you can maximize the benefits of macronutrients and enhance your overall health. Optimal ratios for different fitness goals. Finding the optimal macronutrient ratios for your specific fitness goals is key to maximizing your results. While individual needs may vary, understanding the general principles can guide you in creating a nutrition plan that aligns with your objectives. For individuals aiming for weight loss, a higher protein intake combined with a moderate carbohydrate and fat intake can be beneficial. Protein helps promote satiety, preserves lean muscle mass, and supports the body's ability to burn calories. It also requires more energy to digest, which can contribute to a higher metabolic rate. Including complex carbohydrates such as whole grains and fibrous vegetables can provide sustained energy and essential nutrients while minimizing spikes in blood sugar levels. Incorporating healthy fats such as avocados and nuts in moderation helps maintain satiety and supports hormone production. On the other hand, individuals looking to build muscle and gain size may benefit from a higher carbohydrate and protein intake. Carbohydrates serve as the primary energy source for intense workouts and aid in glycogen replenishment for muscle recovery and growth. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and synthesis. Including lean sources of protein, such as chicken, fish, and legumes, along with complex carbohydrates and healthy fats, can help fuel workouts and promote muscle growth. Athletes and those pursuing high-intensity training may require specific macronutrient ratios tailored to their sport and energy demands. This may involve a higher carbohydrate intake to support endurance and performance, as well as an adequate protein intake for muscle repair. Balancing these macronutrients with the inclusion of healthy fats can provide sustained energy and overall nutritional support. It's important to note that optimal macronutrient ratios can vary based on individual preferences, dietary restrictions, and body composition. Consulting with a registered dietitian or nutrition professional can help you fine-tune your macronutrient ratios based on your specific fitness goals and unique needs. Remember, finding the right balance of macronutrients is a personal journey, and it may require experimentation to determine what works best for you. Debunking misconceptions about macronutrients. Macronutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats have been subject to misconceptions and misunderstandings. Let's debunk some of these common misconceptions to gain a clearer understanding. One prevalent misconception is that all carbohydrates are bad and lead to weight gain. In reality, no foods or food groups directly cause weight gain. Consuming in excess of calories, regardless of the macronutrient source, leads to weight gain. Complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They provide sustained energy and support overall health. Refined sugars and processed carbohydrates, on the other hand, should be limited as they lack essential nutrients and can contribute to weight gain when consumed in excess. Another myth is that a high-fat diet is inherently unhealthy. The truth is, not all fats are bad for you. Healthy fats such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats are essential for brain health, hormone production, and nutrient absorption. Sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish offer these beneficial fats. It's important to differentiate between healthy fats and unhealthy trans fats found in processed foods, which should be minimized or avoided. There is also a misconception that a high-protein diet harms the kidneys. While it's true that individuals with existing kidney issues may need to moderate their protein intake, a high-protein diet is generally safe for healthy individuals. Protein is essential for muscle growth, repair, and various bodily functions. It's important to choose lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, legumes, and dairy to balance protein intake with adequate hydration. It's crucial to differentiate between healthy and unhealthy sources with each macronutrient category. Carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are all essential for a balanced diet. Complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and lean proteins play important roles in supporting overall health and should be included in moderation as part of a well-rounded diet. By debunking these misconceptions, we can make informed choices and optimize our macronutrient intake for better overall well-being. Now that you have a better understanding of macronutrients, their roles, the importance of a balanced intake, and common misconceptions, you're equipped to make smarter food choices. So check out the Ultimate Guide to Weight Loss, evidence-based strategies to help support your weight loss goals. Remember, nutrition is a journey, and finding the right macronutrient balance for your body and goals may require experimentation. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to keep learning about nutrition, fitness, weight loss, and an overall healthy lifestyle. I'll see you in the next video.